What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Landaris. You already know. You see it. You see it. Back at you with another video. Hey, look what's going on out here. It's snowing its tail off. And it's not supposed to stop till about, they said, now they're saying 12 a.m. tomorrow morning. Last time it said 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. But now it's saying 12, but still. Well, hopefully the salt that I put under here is going to help me remove that snow a little bit better once I get out here to clean it. Look at that out there. Let's go check this out. See what it looks like in the front. Or no, let's go see what it looks like off from here. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, it's cold out there. Oh, it's cold. Look at all that snow on there. That look like about, oh man. It's a nice little drift. 1, 2, 3. That look like about 5 inches right there. Let's look out here at the front. Look at that out there. Well. What a white winter. Anyway, I got some people lined up to, once it stops snowing, probably Monday or so, to clean off their driveways. I got a couple of other my customers that volunteered or agreed to me coming to clean off some of the snow. Just want you guys to take a look at that. All right, guys, I'm out. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch out for some videos of me clearing off some snow. I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys. All right, I'm out. Like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. No, like right now, go ahead and subscribe. All right, thanks. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, leave your comments, hit that bell button. Do whatever you gotta do. But you better do it. All right, I'm out.